Hey guys, this is Brett Nestor, the son of Jay Nestor, and today we are in our garage, and we have recently discovered a bird nest that has come upon in one of our tool pouches, and it's been in there for how long? About a month?
Well, we noticed a bird was hanging out. This is a Klein Tools 5142 tool bag or a bolt bag that I had from back in the day, and it was empty.
Yeah, and okay, so I came outside to get my drink, and I saw my dad peeking, and I was like, oh, something must have happened.
Yeah.
So we came in here about 3 weeks ago. We discovered that there are eggs in there, and now they finally hatched. You can see the little babies in there.
Look at that. Are they moving?
Yeah.
They had their mouths open a second ago.
They're definitely alive. I can tell.
Oh yeah, they're definitely without a question about it. They're alive. Let's not touch it.
I'm not. So yeah, apparently we have birds in our live birds. We have how many? Is it three?
Oh, there's
4?
1, 2, 3.
I see around 4 beaks, 4 or 5 beaks.
So.
So now we got some new pets, I guess.
Oh look, that one's got his mouth open.
Oh, that's awesome!
Oh crap! Look at that.
That's awesome. You think we should leave him alone?
Yeah.
So he get some sleep.
Okay. Tell everybody good night.
Good night, everybody.
That
was just our new pets. I guess we have.
All right. We'll bring y'all in some more later.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.